It started raining. They ran from the paddock all the way into the Gypsy Goat Igloo. Baby Buddha's coming up the rear. But that is funny as all get go. Come on, kids! But, so it's raining. I'm gonna fix this up a little bit so they can all get up under there. There's a few of them dragging behind. Come on, baby Buddha! Come on, baby Buddha! Where you at, buddy? Let's go get our buddy. He's probably standing on the other side of the fence. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bubba. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Delilah. Way to take care of baby Buddha. Come on, baby Buddha. Come on, buddy. Don't want you to get too wet. It's raining. Let's get you a spot where you won't get beat up. Come on. Come on, Samson. Come on, Delilah. Take care of baby Buddha. It's raining. And everybody becomes buttholes during the rain. Hey, get under there, baby Buddha. Go. Get safe under the tarp. There we go. He's got his own spot right now. Where is everybody? So it's raining. I've got my Gypsy Goat Igloo that's been through many storms. Doing well. There's Samson and Delilah. They'll protect baby Buddha. Everybody else is crammed in up there at the front. There's probably 7 in there, 6 in there, 2. Yeah, there's probably 12 back there somewhere. But see, Samson and Delilah protect baby Buddha. And Sandy, there's Sandy right there. But this is what they do in the rain. They run back in and get comfortable. They're so fuzzy. She's the grandmama of the bunch. But does pretty well, staying pretty dry.